Before you start, ensure that your mobile device, in this case an iPhone, is on your local network. Have the network name and password ready. You and your iPhone must be in the vicinity of your Miele appliance. Enter the serial number of the appliance, which can be found on the data plate. Download the Miele at Mobile app from the Apple Store. To do this, enter Miele at Mobile into the search bar in the Apple App Store. After installation, start the app via the icon. Read and accept the conditions of use. To be able to access all the functions of the Miele at Mobile app, log in via your Miele user account. If you don't yet have an account, you can create one very easily. To create an account, select Register. First, select your country, then complete all fields and choose an individual password. Information about passwords can be found under Help. Confirm the entry with Create User Account. Select whether you wish to receive notifications on your mobile device, for example at the end of your appliance's program. You're now logged in and can start the process of logging in to your appliance. In Appliance Search, select Add New Miele Appliance and follow the instructions. To connect a Miele appliance, select Wi-Fi option 1, Carry out Wi-Fi connection via app. Before selecting Next, first activate the Wi-Fi on your Miele appliance. Switch on your Miele appliance and open the Settings menu. Under Networking, select the On option. Networking is now active and the Miele at Home option is visible in the Settings menu. Secondly, open the Wi-Fi settings menu of your iPhone. Under Select Network, select the network which starts with Miele at Home. Enter the last 9 digits of the serial number of the Miele appliance as the password. The serial number is on the data plate. Go to the Miele at Mobile app and select Next. At this point, select the local network to which you want to connect the Miele appliance. Enter the password of your home network and select Transmit. Go to the Wi-Fi settings on your iPhone and select your local network. Go back to the Miele at Mobile app and end Setup by selecting Next. Your Miele appliance has been added to your account. You can now start the Miele at Mobile app or add a further appliance. The recently set up Miele appliance will appear in the Miele at Mobile app. To check whether the remote control function is activated on the appliance, open the settings and select the Miele at Home menu option and then Remote Control. Check whether the function is set to on or off. Switch the function on if necessary.